Welcome to this guided meditation for mindfulness. Find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. Close your eyes gently and take a deep breath in through your nose, holding it for a moment. Slowly exhale through your mouth, releasing tension with each breath. As you continue to breathe deeply, focus on the sensations in your body. Notice the ground beneath you and the air around you. Feel the support and stability, allowing yourself to be fully present in this moment. Bring your attention to your thoughts. Observe them as they come and go, like clouds in the sky. Do not judge or engage with them. Simply acknowledge their presence and let them drift away. Return your focus to your breath, feeling the rise and fall of your chest. Shift your awareness to your senses. Listen to the sounds around you, the subtle hum of your surroundings. Feel the texture of your clothing, the air touching your skin. Embrace these sensations as anchors to the present moment, grounding you here and now. If your mind begins to wander, gently bring it back to your breath. Inhale deeply, filling your lungs with calmness, and exhale any lingering tension. Each breath brings you deeper into a state of relaxation and mindfulness. Stay present with each inhale and exhale. There is no need to control or change your experience. Simply observe and accept it as it is. This practice helps cultivate a sense of awareness and presence, allowing you to be fully engaged in the here and now. you're ready, gradually bring your awareness back to the room. Wiggle your fingers and toes, gently stretching your body. Take a few more deep breaths, and when you feel ready, softly open your eyes. Carry this sense of mindfulness with you throughout your day.